I think it's the storytelling. It's the blend of, which I said at the press conference today, I said it's blending technology with emotion, storytelling, and making sure an audience is not alienated from any of the above. Sometimes, filmmakers make films for themselves. It's very important to understand that when you make a film, it's for an audience. You should make an in-house video for yourself, a home video for yourself, not a feature film. A feature film is for an audience. That is what cinema was invented for. It was to entertain others, not yourself. And I feel any filmmaker who lives in isolation is a deluded man or woman. And I feel Rajamouli sir is not that. He is a man who works for an audience. I think his excitement, his energy level, his passion and his motivation comes from an audience love. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's where it comes from. That's where I think it comes from. And I think any filmmaker who's had this kind of body of work and commercial success will understand that you have to prioritize an audience way before. And I think that's what we in our cinema, not that one should compare or one should kind of make comparisons. And I'm proud of my cinema and I'm very proud of the work we do. But I feel that we don't empower our writers enough. And our writing always lacks soul when we blend it with technology. Then technology takes over and the soul gets. And the balance of the two is very critical.
Actually, today is the first time I met Karanji, and now is the second time I'm hearing that we are lacking writers in Hindi film industry, and I think now I know that is a problem everywhere. No, we lack writers who are exceptionally good. We face the same problem. There. For me. On a completely different contrast, Raju Hirani is like, he was saying that we can't make films like what I'm doing. I can't even make one scene like what Raju Hirani does.
Correct.
I feel what he does is a much greater job than what I do. Because that kind of subtle writing, subtle emotions, and hitting you so hard. I have strong emotions and I hit hard. He has very subtle emotions and he slaps you across your face. No, that for me is a far more greater technique than what I have. And on a contrasting note, Anurag Kashyap, he's been my favorite director. The way he plays with the narrative, the way he puts his characters in front of you and plays with them, it's exceptionally good. I think every film industry has great directors, great writers, and very bad writers and bad directors and bad films. No, it is the same with Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, or whatever. I think we shouldn't compare each industry. Each has its own merits and fallbacks. I can't tell you the amount of people that worked on. We have 600 visual effects artists working on the CGI. We have 15 studios worldwide working on the CGI. We had, at one point of time, we were working with 2,000 extras on the set every day for about 30-40 days, with the size of the unit ranging anywhere from 500 to 600, huge industrial cranes, glue mats, and I don't know, it's crazy, crazy. But at the point of time when we were shooting, we were physically exhausted every day. But now if you ask how hard it was, I don't feel we worked hard because everyone knew what to do and we were enjoying the hard work. So when you say hard work, I don't feel it is hard work. At the point of time when we were working, it felt hard.